Hello guys, in this part we'll learn more about booleans in C#. Very often in programming you will need a data type that can only have one of two values, like yes or no, on or off, or true or false. For this, C# has a bool data type which can take the values true or false. Boolean values. A Boolean type is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. For example, bool is programming funny equal true, and bool is programming boring equal false, and console.writeLine is programming funny and is programming boring. Control F5 and true and false. Boolean expression. A Boolean expression is a C# expression that returns a Boolean value, true or false. You can use a comparison operator such as greater than operator to find out if an expression or a variable is true. For example, int x equal 10 and int y equal 8, and console.writeLine if x greater than y, absolutely true, control F5 and true. Or even easier, console.writeLine if 9 greater than 10, absolutely false, control F5 and false. In the examples below, we use the equal to operator to evaluate an expression. For example, console.writeLine if x equal to 10, this is absolutely true, control F5 and true. But if x equal to 1, this is absolutely false, control F5 and false.